Welcome to AP CSP Unit 8 Computing Innovations. And here's Caillou, and we're going to be looking at communication innovations, collaboration innovations, and crowdsourcing innovations. So today's unit is a bit boring, to be honest, because we're just going to be looking at the innovations and some information about them. So there's not much related to codings and stuff. So the first one we'll be looking at is communication innovations. So email. So there's not much about emails to explain, but we can look at email spams. So we all know what can emails do and what are they used for. But we can take a look at email spams and look at and see how they work and how they affect our lives. So what are email spams? So they're referred to unsolicited and often irrelevant or inappropriate messages that are sent to the email addresses of many people. And this is not hard to prevent from the start of the creation. So it means that this problem is hard to be solved because we can't just cancel everybody's email sending privileges and make sure and or just look at what they're sending to other people. This just can't be done. And the types of email spams could include advertising, so they want you to buy their stuff or to get into their website. So for example, could be an email with like telling you buying luxury watches for 90% off. And second one is phishing emails. So they're designed to steal sensitive information from you, like login or credit card, something like that. So they can be asking like your account has been compromised, so click here to reset your password. And then we can look at malware delivery. So this one's containing malicious attachments or links that are download malware, like invoice attached, please review immediately. So they want you to click the link and they'll download stuff to your computer. And fourth, fraudulent emails, so basically scams. So they include messages like lottery scams, fake job offers, or just giving you money. So for example, you have won a 10,000 reply with your detail to claim the prize. So they will just give you fake some information to you and make you give your own information to them. And the last one is discussion on that. Last one is the subscription spam. So this one is subscribing the user when they go press the attached link or just sign in with their email. So they will sign you up for some special website or organization. And the last two examples of communication innovations, there's not much to be talking about. So SMS, so just you guys know they're used for showing links or codes to Wi-Fi passwords, or by your 4G company, so they might send you stuff through that. Or you can contact with it by your phone numbers, which is not much used in these days. And for social media, so like Facebook, Instagrams, we all know what they're used for, so there's not much to explain about that too, but we can look at some social privacy issues, because like sharing your personal information through posting them or sharing them in public could be a disadvantage or unsecure for your personal data. So they might be showing your things that you don't want them to see, or people can track your information through that. And now we can take a look at collaboration innovations. So these are created for people to work together and do stuff like that. So first one is group chat. So platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and WhatsApp. So they allow people to have instant communication amongst their people or team members and support synchronous communication. So there's real time and delayed communications. And you guys all have used this in your lifetime, so it can help organize discussions around people in different places in the world, and they can make you remind yourself of tasks. So you can write a note for yourself, like at what time you have to do something, or they can also contact people at instant times where or not now, but delayed time. So you would write a message now, but it will be sent in some other time to them so they can see it. Second, what we're going to look at is video conferencing. So Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft. So I guess you guys have all explored this while in quarantine times, when you guys have been doing online studying with like teachers or something. And I've been using Zoom, and they allow us to have face-to-face communications throughout different worlds, different parts of the world, and give us platforms to learn and collaborate. And also some interesting stuff I found while studying. So it was like the features like virtual backgrounds, so you could change your background into something anything you like. This was one of the fun things I was doing while having quarantine. And the third one is collaborative software. So like Nozomio or Figma. So they enable team to work simultaneously or share documents, designs, or projects. And the last bit for today is like crowdsourcing innovations. So they're defined as a place where they're allowing a group of people to solve problems or generate ideas together. It is often online, basically, yeah. And this idea generation, product development, problem solving, and creative projects. And this is what it is. And the second one is with a global crowd. So this is harnessing the input of individuals from diverse geographical and cultural backgrounds. So so this is basically combining people from all over the world to solve a problem together. So there are many platforms where they can do this. So like Kango, HeroX, something like that. And the second one we have is collective knowledge. So that is the shared pool of information, insights, or experience. So it is a place where they can work together, as you can see. An example would be like Wikipedia, Stack Overflow, something like that. And if you want to say, can Academy is typically not because we can't communicate over it, but GitHub could be one of them, Reddit, something like that. But they cannot provide information though. It's like more of a communication platform. The third one we have is crowdfunding. So this raising small amounts of money from large group of people, so from the online usually, and they is usually to used for funding a project or a business. So like Kickstarter, GoFundMe. So Kickstarter is creative for creative projects, and GoFundMe is personal or charitable causes. And the fourth one we have is human computation. So where humans perform tasks that computers cannot do, well, cannot easily do typically, and it is often in a partnership or with an AI or software system. So like reCAPTCHA, so user uses human effort to digitalize books or improve AI datasets. The fifth one we have is citizen science. So this involves the public in scientific research, and it is typically through data collection, analysis, or project ideas. So like Zooniverse, so this app allows, no this one allows us to classify images for various scientific projects. And another one I would like to introduce is eBirds, which I did not write on top of it, but it's a platform for bird watchers to contribute observations, which I also go on top of, go there a lot, and like, well, I don't upload, but I just look at it. It's actually sometimes fun to just watch how birds act in nature. And the last one we have for today is open innovation platforms. So this is basically a platform where companies and organizations um, put the ideas and solutions together, like open IDEO, so crowdsourcing solutions for social impact challenges, so and stuff like that. And that is it for today, which is more like an informational lesson compared to an AP CSP coding lesson, which is not what I really like of the teaching. But still, thank you for watching and wish to see you next time.